Now on Tuesday, WhatsApp announced that it will be introducing a small flurry of privacy-minded tweaks into the messaging app. The company says the changes aim to give users more control over their experience while introducing, and I quote, added layers, end quote, to protect their private communications.
So WhatsApp will introduce an option for users to privately use the app without being visible online, something it calls online presence control. Now, the feature, which rolls out to everyone this month, will let users decide which contacts can see their online status while hiding it from others. Now, the update will come to both its desktop and mobile app offerings.
Now, WhatsApp will allow users to leave groups privately without sending out a mass notification that they have left. Group admins will still get notified, and this change will also roll out to both desktop and mobile versions of the app this month. Finally, the company is also testing screenshot blocking for view once messages, which disappear after being opened a single time.
Yeah, man, that's for all you freaky people.
Yeah,
that's what they're going to get.
Screenshot
blocking that phone.
So for the leaving the group, they leave in the group. Sometimes I want to leave the group and make a statement.
Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes I want to slam that door there. Bloom.
My biggest thing with groups is that when people put you in these groups without notifying you first or without asking your permission, too much people get access to your personal telephone number. That me can't deal.
I jump out of those groups that quickly.
Yeah, but when you jump out, it shows you leave. So
you still see your number, you still see.
Yeah. It's about time.
So I do like the screenshot blocking.
Yeah, man.
Can you send a one picture of
to road.
Yeah, me no.
I don't know what you're talking about. I have no clue.
But for the online presence, like for me, they really matter still.
No, nobody know I'm online either.
Listen, if I'm online and you send me a message and I don't want to talk to you, I'm not responding to your message.
Yeah, and it no matter whether you know me online or not. I get that, but sometimes you don't want to get no message in the first place neither. You have people where you don't want to talk to you, but you have people where you don't want to talk to you. You have none of that.
Look at this.
I get it.
I think some persons don't realize the power of just ignoring.
Yeah, I'm good at that.
It's like, sometimes I ignore others. She's talking. No, but sometimes I'm just not in the mood. Like if I want to talk to my daughter, I talk to my daughter alone. I don't really want to talk to nobody else. I talk to my mother, I talk to my mother alone.
No, them vibes, man.
You understand? And you can message me. The good thing about WhatsApp is that I can respond to you later on. Is that I can miss.
Famous for that. We get a call and they say, Craig, when I call you yesterday, you know, I stand up across the road and I see when you look on the phone and put it back in the phone. I say, good, so now you know, sir. Only when I talk about more,
I'll tell you something. We can move on.